A very good morning to all the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class. Today we will be doing the revision of the new words from the last page, from the last slide, and also we will be completing our questions, okay, from the book. So let's begin our chapter, The Curious Baby Elephant. So in this page is page number 47, and what we have seen that baby elephant was very curious to know about anything and everything around him, and he ended up in the land of crocodiles, and he wanted to know that what crocodile is having for the dinner and why he is having that. But when he landed there, he disturbed the crocodile, and the fellow, that is the crocodile, was very irritated. What he did, he caught the elephant by the nose and started pulling. The baby elephant was so frightened that he also started pulling himself back so that he can come out from that place. But nobody was leaving each other, and they pulled and pulled. But finally, crocodile let him go, fell down the elephant on his broad back. And what he did, he saw that his nose has grown so long, and it hurt him awfully. So he wrapped his nose in cool banana leaves and waited for it to get small or shrink. But my God, it never went back. He waited and waited, but nothing happened. He could still move it from one end to the other. And finally, one day, without even doing it purposely, like doing it without thinking, the baby elephant stung a fly on the shoulder, and before he knew that he was doing, he lifted up his trunk and hit that fly dead. And what happens? Then he could feel that, oh yeah, it's easy, it's useful right now. He even plucked all the fruits from the branches of the trees without waiting for them to fall. So finally, this long trunk which the crocodile gave is a gift to him, which is in disguise. Disguise means which is in apparently, like in front, it seems that crocodile has done a very wrong thing, but ultimately it's useful for the elephants. Okay, so he enjoyed this long nose now, and he also tickled his friends, his brothers and sisters, and he was happy. So we'll revise with the new words first. Let's see. We will revise this. We have done already in the last half, but we will revise. Oozy, O-O-Z-Y. Whisper, W-H-I-S-P-E-R. Musky, M-U-S-K-Y. Tusky, T-U-S-K-Y. Trouble, T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Trouble. Haunches, H-A-U-N-C-H-E-S. Splashed, S-P-L-A-S-H-E-D. Stretching, S-T-R-E-T-C-H-I-N-G. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. Shrink, S-H-R-I-N-K. Stung, S-T-U-N-G. Hungry, H-U-N-G-R-Y. Plucked, P-L-U-C-K-E-D. Plucked. Forelegs, F-O-R-E-L-E-G-S. The front legs. Stuffed, S-T-U-F-F-E-D. Okay, children? Please revise this and also read the lesson. Now, we did the questions from the book number 1 to 5, right? Yes, I hope you all have copied them down in your CW copy. Today, we will be doing from 6 to 10. It is in page number 49, number C. Answer the questions. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 today we will do. So what is it? Let's see. What did he carry with him to eat on the way? So where was the elephant going? The elephant was going to meet the crocodile. Correct. And how long he took? He took about a week to reach there. And what did he carry? He carried loads of bananas, sugar canes and melons. Okay. Number 7. What did crocodile do to the baby elephant? The crocodile was very angry. So obviously the crocodile tricked the baby elephant to come near to him and caught him by the nose. And he was obviously not letting him go at all. What happened to his nose by the time the crocodile let him go? By the time the crocodile let go of the nose, it had become long. The baby elephant could swish it around. Okay. Number 8. Okay, number 9. What made the baby elephant happy with his trunk? The baby elephant became happy with his trunk when he found that he could easily pluck fruits from the trees instead of waiting for them to fall. So, the baby elephant became happy with the trunk when he found that he could easily pluck fruits from the trees instead of waiting for them to fall. That was an advantage which the crocodile has given. And what is the last one? What do you learn from the story? So we learn, or the moral of the story is that too much curiosity can get one into trouble. Here the baby elephant was very lucky not to get into trouble. Or he got into trouble, but the end result was good and positive. But this happens only in maybe very few cases out of 100. Okay. So too much curiosity can get one into trouble, and obviously crocodile was into trouble. Crocodile went there. Obviously the elephant was into trouble. He went there and the crocodile caught him by the nose. What happened if he wouldn't have left only and would have eaten up the elephant? Then it would have been sad, So the moral of the story is that too much curiosity can get one into trouble. So that's all for today, children. Please copy these answers down in your CW copy along with the rest of the 5 answers in the last video. Okay, these are all the questions from page 49, number C, 1 to 10. We won't be doing any more small and short questions, all from the book. Okay, till then, have a nice day.